Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, it's going to be demo day 2, and so I'm going to get all of the trim pulled off, and then I'm probably going to go ahead and start in on the wood paneling sheets and get it down, try to get down to as much shiplap as I possibly can. So let's get into the clip. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section, and go check out our other content once you finish this video. Let's get into it. If you're enjoying today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section, and check out some other content once you're done with this video. About to get everything unloaded here in my little dump site on the property. One day I'll get a big dumpster and throw it all in there. All the stuff I don't need and don't want. But for today, I'm just gonna get it on the pile, the old wood pile of old, almost unusable wood, because you never know if you're gonna need that old scrap wood. Enjoy the next clip and enjoy. So obviously I forgot completely that there's wallpaper underneath that's wood paneling, and so that's gonna have to come down before we see the broad side of the shiplap. So I'm about to bag it up, throw it away. I've actually already had the wallpaper tested from a different small project that I did when I did the girls master closet. Go check that video out for more about that. But anyhow, here we go. All right, everybody, that's about gonna do it for today's video. I'm gonna wrap with that. So demolition day 2 complete. We got down to shiplap. We haven't touched the ceiling yet. So we'll probably, I'm either gonna do some of the shiplap next just because I want to, or I'll go ahead and get the ceiling down because I'm pretty sure underneath these little cardboard fiber ceiling tiles is wallpaper. And then underneath that wallpaper is some kind of a tongue and groove ceiling board. So that'll be interesting, but I'm not sure which one I'll do next. I might do both on demolition day 3. But other than that, like I said, that's going to do it for today's video. I just want to give you a quick recap on where we ended up landing on our goal today, and everything's about as expected. So I appreciate you joining the video today. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section, and go check out some of our other content now. Appreciate everybody. Bigfoot out.